Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind this is my personal experience with the product. We're taking a look at NordLocker, found at https://www.nordlocker.com, a cloud storage service emphasizing security and privacy. NordLocker offers end-to-end encryption, meaning your files are encrypted before they even leave your device. This adds a significant layer of protection, ensuring only you hold the decryption key. This means that even NordLocker themselves can't access your data. The service boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy to upload, manage, and share your encrypted files. You can drag and drop files directly into the NordLocker application for quick encryption. They also offer a generous free tier, allowing you to test out the features before committing to a paid subscription. The paid plans offer expanded storage options for those who need more space. NordLocker supports a variety of file types, so you can secure everything from important documents and sensitive photos to videos and other personal data. This versatility makes it a suitable solution for individuals, families, and even businesses looking to enhance their data security. They also offer apps for various platforms, ensuring accessibility across your devices, be it your desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Security features beyond encryption are also a focus. Zero-knowledge architecture further reinforces privacy. Two-factor authentication provides an added layer of login security, protecting your account from unauthorized access. The combination of these features makes NordLocker a robust and compelling option for anyone prioritizing data protection in the cloud. Their commitment to privacy and robust security measures sets them apart in a competitive market. Consider NordLocker for a simple, yet powerful, solution to safeguarding your digital life.